Hello everyone. So today we are going to, moving to the next topic here, we are going to use ChatGPT to set it up for finance. That it is going to help us with as a professional trader, that is going to give us advices on crypto trading and investing. So first, whenever we want to make use of this thing, make use of ChatGPT as a prompt engineer GPT, we come on this website and we have to give an initial prompt. So let's give a prompt here, setup prompt. We are passing a message. Act as a professional algorithmic trader for any asset. And let's say we want to create a trading strategy for Ethereum for 1 hour chart here. So prompt pattern here, first we have to inform that this is how it is supposed to act. After we have defined the act, we inform what kind of output do we want here. Do we want it in CSV, Excel? Finally, we give the context and the objectives. So to set this set up the GPT here, I informed it to act as a professional algorithmic trader. And to give more context to it, we are asking it to create a trading strategy for Ethereum. So we are asking it to generate a trading strategy for Ethereum on a 1 hour chart. So here what did we do? We gave it a role. We informed what is the context for it as well. And now when we ask GPT questions, it is going to respond relevantly for us. So here it has given us this information. Okay, it is a professional strategy for each. So here it has generated a summary for us. Okay, it is an algorithmic trading strategy for Ethereum on a 1 hour chart. It has informed us what kind of strategy it has used. Time frame, indicators used, what are the different indicators that have been used, when we should be doing a long entry, when we should be doing a short entry, and what are the exit rules as well for this. Similarly, if we want to implement a code on this thing, it is going to generate that code as well. So whenever we are going to go for a prompt engineer GPT, 3 things that we always need to consider. First, informing how it is supposed to act. Second, what is the context behind it? And finally, the question here. So let's use it for another one as a sentiment analysis one. So to set it up, let's come up with a prompt here along with the context. A new window, whenever we are trying to change it, we'll go for a new window. So let's go for a new chat. On this new chat, we are setting up the prompt. The prompt is, you are a CFA certified financial advisor. Based on a user's profile, low, medium, high, suggest allocation, hedging and rebalancing strategy. With this, we have informed how it is supposed to act. We have given the instructions. Now, to get more out of it, we are going to give some additional context to it. So it has given, let us know if you would like table format, and now let's finally give us the prompt for it. Okay, for what do we want it to generate? So let's close this and we are asking the final question. So here is a medium risk profile investment portfolio designed for 35-year-old investor, balancing growth potential with risk management. It has informed what kind of stocks he should be doing, how much he should be going for equity, crypto and short-term debt. Hedging strategy, what is the hedging strategy, rebalancing strategy and everything for us. Thank you.